Why, hello, everybody. We were in our garden tonight, Gary and I don't know where we were not to know that SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket was being launched. And I had no idea. And we were actually getting ready to go to the store. We decided to go grab some stuff in the evening. We were just finishing up in the garden. And I look up in the sky, and yes, they do launch satellites periodically that we can see, but I've never seen anything like what they launched today, because at first I thought it was a helicopter, and it was just so interesting because you saw the light going up, and it was almost, you just see this beam. It was a beam of light, and it was kind of an amber color. And Gary saw it too, but he was getting the car from another part of the property, and he thought it was a helicopter, but I knew it wasn't because of the color of the light. That's what kind of threw me, as the color of the light. So I had my phone on me, and I, started recording it. And this was our conversation.
Satellite from Vandenberg.
And it goes up like that?
Yeah. See, I saw the light going down, and when I walked that way, I thought it was a helicopter.
So did I, but I grabbed my phone since I was standing here. I've got it filmed both ways, sideways and now.
So that's the booster rocket that exploded.
In red? That one, but the whole thing exploded. I've got the whole thing on tape. The whole thing exploded. And now this one I've never seen it where it just go. You've got my camera?
No, it's in the house.
Yeah, so Gary didn't have my camera and I had my cell phone. And it was just the oddest thing, because you would see the first beam of light, which was the rocket. You actually could see it. And then it looked like it exploded. And I guess the first part came off and went back to the base. It actually turned around. You could see it. It looked like two ships, rocket ships going. One turned around, literally turned around and flew back to wherever it was, which that was kind of odd to see that. And the other one took off into the sky. Apparently, this is the first time that they're launching this on the West Coast. Normally, it's done in Florida. And we have seen other satellites launch, but it's more of it's kind of like a ball of fire, it looks like, and it will be all different colors, and it kind of streaks in the sky, and it's all zigzaggy and everything. But this was very defined. You could see the trail, you could watch it, you could see what it was, and it was fascinating. I wasn't scared, which was kind of odd since we had no idea what it was. And of course, we quickly turned on the radio in the car after we were done, and we heard what it was. They talked about it. But that is a different evening, for us to look up in the sky after we're working in the garden to see that. And fascinating, the things that they're doing now. You could just see it. And it looked like it was coming down at some point.
Yeah, they've been launching a ton of them, so.
I've never seen this before. Now it looks like it's coming down. Apparently, they said on the radio after it broke away from the launcher, the first part, that it did start to come down until it got to its orbit, I guess, and then it was released, and all you saw, the streaks in the sky, the tail, it's like a shooting star, just suddenly disappeared. And then it just floated away. It was a little ball that just floated away. It was very interesting. I wish I had my better camera, but that was in the house. And it literally was over in about 6-7 minutes, the whole thing. So I just wanted to share that with you. So have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.